Hello, it's Mrs. Lerno, and I'm here to show you an activity today that will work on cutting skills and coloring. So, adults, would you please start out by having a white piece of paper, and I want you to draw 6 squares on it, and I want them to be different sizes. So, and they can be rectangles as well. Just so that they have, flat sides. They don't have to be perfect. Some big, some small. But you're going to get this part prepped for your student. As soon as you have, that one's kind of crooked. As soon as you have all of those done, you're going to let your student pick out a different color to color each one of these quadrilaterals. I can call them that and be safe. Now, you're going to notice that they're wanting to do a lot of this kind of movement, which is, it's okay, but I just want you to make sure that they're getting the majority of the shape covered. So when we talk about prompting, you might need to say, oh, a little more, do more pink, or coloring, just to encourage them to keep going till they get most of it covered. If you see some outside, that's pretty typical, but basically they're going to color all 6 shapes, and it's fun for them to pick out different colors to do that with. They, some kiddos like the same color, and they kind of have, a definite choice as far as what they want to work with, but encourage them to use different ones. After this is finished, adults, you're going to have another piece of prep work. I would like for you to separate these shapes. So just give it a quick cut between the shapes that you created, because when they're cutting these out, it's going to make it a lot easier for them to work with just one at a time. All right? So now that they've been separated, give them just one. So take these out of their visual field, move them way over to the side so they can focus. I don't know why that's not picking up. Focus on just one piece. To prompt them to hold with their left hand and cut with the right. Make sure their thumb is facing up. Even though they have adaptive scissors, their thumbs should still be on the top, and as they cut, they need to turn the paper and then make their next cut. So we're going to keep these squares, and we are going to throw the rest away. Today is just a cutting and coloring activity. If they have time left over, they can definitely, get another piece of paper and try to draw the squares by themselves. You might need to do hand over hand, or provide for them the 4 dots of the quadrilateral that they can connect. So if you, I don't know why that's not showing up on my video, if you are giving them the 4 dots and then they can draw the straight lines, that is an extension to this activity. Thank you. Bye.